Alright, people, Deva Bratt do an interview, a long interview. Me even post it on a couple of my socials them, but what me I say, people see the man operate a certain way and I talk about say, oh, the man mad and the man bad mind and all of them things there. You just picture it. Just picture a man will have everything already and him still want to push you down at the ground. You know how that make you feel?
Could I walk or run? Somebody better figure sharp and bum. The war start and I got done. Them a try to repeat me. The pussy them a try.
Klaba TV go sucker kang. Quiz panichiga this a one can jam. Big up your TV ya number one. Them a tear down defense when you bust this a one. Shuku. Kang. You don't know. A Bobby Wonder.
People, I turn 1 year old today.
Yeah.
And just through that, I go chuck off in a pole and tear off my fire.
Your diamond tear off your fire. Tell the people then that.
It's a no.
Yo, Deva Bratt release a song and no people, I don't know war song. It's a song where the man reflect on him life and the man talk about the world of the struggles them where the man go through. Bad bumbuckler song. Yo, the dog a re-emerge mad pan them in the dancehall scene certain way. I'm rate that about Deva Bratt still. You see me? Fighter. You see me? Fight the fight like bumbuckler Mike. Yeah man. The song name In the Twilight. And people, go check it out man. A mad thing man. A bad song. You see me? I like the settings of the man do. The man have a little mixture R&B and hip hop in it and you see me? The melody and the whole thing. You don't know the man are lyrical. You see me? The man are lyrical warrior certain way. Lyrical ninja. Lyrical nigga. You see me? So you don't have to ask about lyrics. People go check it out man. Twilights. Bad song. Deva Bratt. Hold them.
In the twilight, Almighty God protect my life. Teach life lessons to I and I. Blessing of life from Mount Sinai. In the twilight.
Alright people, Deva Bratt do an interview, a long interview. Me even post it on a couple of my socials them, but what me I say, people see the man operate a certain way and I talk about say, oh, the man mad and the man bad mind and all of them things there. You just picture it. Just picture a man will have everything already and him still want to push you down at the ground. You know how that make you feel? Just looking at the ghetto. Most of the people may go and be a crime and some broke, hungry youth and have nothing, you know. And them do the crime, them, you know. So me I try telling the same people. Cartel come road and I follow up the man. On the fixed interview I talk about say yo, Gaza and rape and one bag of thing and you see me? I try belittle the man things certain way when you know say yo the man is just accused of rape and never get raped. And Jacure will rape, you actually have big up Jacure certain way. But when I say people, we have to understand the tribulation and the trial when the man go through a certain way. The man even get detained with by ICE. You see me? Yeah, so we have to understand and cartel stop the man's career a certain way. If we not be honest, we will really admit it. And a film career alone cartel stop. See, I'll eat that Black Ryno and made rate one time. Right now, I have no ratings to Black Ryno because I'm weak, I'm soft. You see my people, so that interview with Deva Bratt, we just take it to the grain of salt, man. Don't bother say the youth bad mind or the youth vex or the youth that. And remember say yo, it's like the man that have him plate in him hand and cartel take away him plate all time hand. Who can relate, must can relate. Capleton did tell you, you know, if you don't want to get me wicked, if you don't want to get me rude, alright. I don't see no more because I don't want to
pull up one TV and a Clubber TV. Today news. This is what we have in the bulletin. Pull up. You pull up, full up.
Klaba TV go sucker kang. Quiz panichiga this a one can jam. Big up your TV ya number one. Them a tear down defense when you bust this a one. Shuku. Kang. You don't know. A Bobby Wonder. You see me? And you don't know.
Pull up one TV and a Clubber TV. Today news. This is what we have in the bulletin. Pull up. You pull up, full up. I know him, sister. You're not supposed to have no fear, you know. That is a man's duty to defend him family them. And if you can't defend your family them, you're a pussy. You're not even nobody at all. Then supposed to have for me cousin that, for me niece that, for me daughter that, or any farmer family member to me. You're the box up all. Yesterday, you think say me I come talk to your dog? Me just go back in the place where I work and I work with tool every day. I have all kind of instruments that can kill people youth. Me just go from my blood clot chopping hammer, what we call axe. and just come hacks up your blood clot straight in the street. Mother just hacks you up. Bad people, yo, big up on yourself. Here, all me they tell you, boy, tap put on hand pan people data. If you stop it, youth. Can't go touch some wrong man data, youth. We go come kill someone in a dog. I know business about the trouble. Cause we not go run from police. That I first thing. Me no Usain Bolt. Me no believe in a running. Me never do track and field at school. Me not run. I trade to the police. Then me they go when me done kill a pussy. Blood clot.
Fire. Rage him yesterday, man. Cloud with him. Now we clock, so we gamble for them. Yo, Deva, how you make you war sweet, so I'll be a gunshot, just a beat, so over north, southwest, and east, so crucial like the streets, M-Town. Them boy, they no fears we, I carry beef to Deva like PST. And I tell we both fucking war, them fi know say how we run the bakery, Them boy, they no fears we, cause we like sweet like PS3. I no tell we about fucking war, them fi know say how we run the bakery. See the 90s crocodile, ya serious, to my face dog, no Somalia. Head happy bus panda open style, ya cause the crucial killer, them wickeder. Them a one die back grave, them living and a one die back cave, them living and none of them no bad, them a cartoon. The whole of them boy are beginners. Them boy, they no fears we, I carry beef to Deva like TST. And I tell we about fucking war, them fi know say how we run the bakery, Them boy, they no fears we, cause we like sweet like PS3. And I tell we about fucking war, them fi know say how we run the bakery. You be dead and pray, cause you chat a lot of dirt. Hard frost, have him a take off in polo shirt. We crucial conflict, you shoulda do your homework. Cover them a kill them for them one turn. So no target you start it. We crucially crafted. Animosity we have your whole family. Just a weird goodbye to the dearly departed. Crucially cold-hearted. Them boy they no fears we. I carry beef to Deva like PST. And I tell we about fucking war. Them fi know say how we run the bakery, Them boy they no fears we. Cause we like sweet like PS3. I no tell we about fucking war, them fi know say how we run the bakery. See the 90s crocodile, ya serious, to my face dog, no Somalia. Head happy bus panda open style, ya cause the crucial killer, them wickeder. Them a one die back grave, them living and a one die back cave, them living and none of them no bad, them a cartoon. The whole of them boy are beginners. The whole of them boy are beginners. Them boy they no fears we, I carry beef to Deva like PST. And I tell we about fucking war, them fi know say how we run the bakery, Them boy they no fears we, cause we like sweet like PS3. And I tell we about fucking war, them fi know say how we run the bakery.